This is egg number 3. Yep, live chickie. Hi, chick. I see you moving in there, chick. Woo. You're moving around. Egg number 4. This is, yep, that one's alive too. There's the black guy moving. Hi, chick. Egg number 5. Yep, there's a chick in there too. Chick. You bouncing around, chick. Here's egg 6. Oh wait, the light went out. Or I should say 7, because the 6th one was the green one, but can't see anything in that one. So this is egg 7 that I've turned. Chicky. Don't have chicken there. Chicky. Egg 8. Yep. Yep, there's a chick moving. 8. Number 8. Egg 9. Yep. There it is. Hi, chick. Oh, I love the chicks. I gotta check 3 more eggs. This is number 9. Hee, chicky. 10. Chick. This is 10. You can see the eye. Hi, chicky. Chick. Number 10. 2 more eggs to check. You guys are all alive. It's been 1 week today. Oh, that chick. Chicky. Oh, hi, chicky. I love you, chick. Yes, I love you. Here's egg 11. One of them didn't look like a oh, yep, this one has a chick. The other one must be the one. So here's 11. So out of these 11 eggs, 10 of them I've seen chicks in. The green one I didn't see anything because you can't see anything in there. But this is egg 11, which is 10 of them still. And here's the 12th egg. And this is the one that didn't seem like a chick was forming. Like it started, but it's not doing anything yet. Like you can see there, I don't see any black eye. That's the one that... Nope, I don't... I mean, there it is, but it's not moving or anything. It's been doing this for days. This is egg 12. See, you can see the baby in there, but there's no movement or anything like the other ones. So I don't think this one's good. I think this is the only one. Or the green one too, I don't know. But I know for sure there's 10 live chicks. This one is probably not good. And then the green one, I don't know. So for sure 10 of them though.